Hello guys, today is the second video. I'm going to unbox this new car which I've ordered. This is my second video of the YouTube. Yesterday I unboxed this Land Rover Series 2. We've shown a lot of support, thanks for that. I'll show more support from me. So today I'm going to unbox this another vehicle. Let's start this, okay? Actually, I ordered this. It's not brand new. So it is in scale model and it's been I ordered from one collector. This is my close friends who gave and I paid for him for this model. And this is also a very rare model. Unboxing from today's. Okay, this is the Range Rover Sport from Kinsmart. You see, it's a Range Rover Sport from Kinsmart. Absolutely, it's in silver color. See this. See this as well. From Kinsmart. It's from the interior. You can see this. Okay, this is the interior of the vehicle. This is from backside. Okay. Two openable doors. Its scale is 1:38. See over there. This is Kinsmart. You can see it is a very good model. So you can get in metal. Now it's a very rare model. It's discontinued from the Kinsmart. So it's in my collection as well. Yesterday I have reviewed this as well. This is unfit for minute. Okay, this is the Land Rover Series 2 again. This one. You can see. So yesterday I couldn't show the interior properly. Now you can see the interior. Okay, this is the interior of this vehicle. Okay, so it's there, and this is also a very rare model. And finally this one. Okay guys, tomorrow I'm going to post the modification video of the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Wait for a minute, let me show that model as well. Okay guys, tomorrow I'm going to modify this model as well. This is from the Rolls Royce. Okay, this model is from the Rolls Royce. This is Rolls Royce Cullinan, I think. It's not officially licensed, but it's an I've ordered this as well. So you can see the interior, traveler light and sound feature as well. See your interior. It's very, it have the all impressions, but it's not detailed. So steering, don't like the steering, absolutely fire. So I bought this steering. You can see this. This is the modified steering. Okay, you can look it out. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry for the flashlight fire. Okay, thanks for watching.